Precious Toys. Can you do a review of me? No. Why not? I don't like you. But I am gonna do a review. Hiya! It's Bonbon! Oh, you know, Sweet Drops. Totally better than Mrs. Cake. I don't like Mrs. Cake. Anyway, so, focusing on Bon, or Sweetie Drops. So she is one of the, these figures. The ones that have the cutie marks and the necklaces and stuff. I think it's like a cutie mark magic one, or whatever. So, she comes with this cute little necklace, with a little candy. And then she has candies on your necklace. And then you can go pop. And then you can go pop. Super cool. There's stuff in that back on her neck. But she's not white, but she's a really nice creamy colour. Creamy colour, yeah. So anyway, so she has this beautiful, beautiful hair. It's so hairy and nice. And then she has it on her tail. And then she has a butt mark. It's not on this side because My Little Pony merchandise is stupid. And then, so along this leg, she has a load of bows. And it follows on from her cutie mark, which actually looks quite nice. And then she has this bow at the top of her eye. But I think it'd be better if it was maybe lower down. Actually, probably wouldn't look that good. But I think lower down might be better. And I hate it how they don't paint that side. I mean, if it was just a cutie mark, I would actually quite like it. But honestly, I prefer this way round to this way round. So these guys are of the same set. She has flowers down her eye. She's on her eye. Beautiful necklaces. Picky pie colours. Boop. Boop. So look, these can swap charms, but I'm kind of failing. I'm not kind of failing, I'm really failing. I'm failing. So here's Bonbon with this charm, little Daisy, and then here's my little buddy with Bonbon's